Hello there, it's Mike from Hobby Print. If ever you need to take your CISS ink tank attachment off and remove the cartridges, it's always good if you know how to do that. So we're going to show you how you would approach that. We're actually doing it on an Epson Workforce WF7310, but it's applicable to all printer models. So let's just get into it. Now, there we go, we've got a home screen. We're going to need this to park up the head so that you can remove the cartridges. Now when I lift this lid, an error light is going to show, and it's basically because there's a switch here that identifies the cover being open. I'm going to pop in a little piece of tube to override that so I can show you. And as you can see, the error light's gone. So what are we going to do? Every printer, of course, is different. So let's go to maintenance and let's look for changing head cartridges, ink cartridge replacement. There we go. And it's saying replace the ink cartridges. Okay, next. Start. Okay. It's going to give you the how-to stuff. All I'm going to do is go up there to close because I don't need it. And then when I open the lid, it now needs me to open the lid. So if I take my little adapter out, and I'm using it purely so that we can show you on video what's going on. That's got your head to park. Okay, different printers have different park positions, but on the 7310 you've got these arrows that help you. So all you would do is lift that there. Now, it's very, very simple. Even though the cartridge block is exactly that, a block. What you've got is 4 clips here, and you can see you just gently pull it back, 2, 3, 4, and you make sure you wiggle it, give it a little wiggle, and it comes out that easy. It is that simple. And I would always turn the cartridges over so that you don't have ink coming out the bottom ink port, and then you pull your pipe off. That looked good on camera, didn't it? And that's it basically. You've actually removed it. So it is that simple. Now if you're going to put a set of refillable cartridges in or any other, you're going to have to park the head up I've got to remember I've got this open. So there we go. That's parked up. And you turn the printer off and let it sort its cycle out. Turn off the power, yes. Dismiss. Yeah, we're getting in a death loop here. Turn off the power, yes. And that's it. That's how you would remove CISS ink tank cartridges. And then what I would do from now is turn the printer off, pull the power lead out the back, wait a minute or two and let the printer's memory clear. Then I would reverse it, put the power lead back, turn the button on, no cartridges are installed, wait for it to set, then go through the home menu, change cartridges and bob your cartridges in. I hope that helps. Thanks.